Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get the normal Roblox experience back after the Roblox Kids and Select update. First, open Roblox and go to the More page. From there, open Settings and select Account Info. Scroll down until you see Check Your Age to get more features, then tap Continue. If prompted, complete the verification and press Continue again. Next, allow Roblox to access your camera if it's required. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the age check. Once the age check is finished, Roblox will assign your account to an age group. If you're determined to be 16 or older, you'll regain access to the standard Roblox experience, instead of the Roblox Kids version. If Roblox assigns the wrong age group, you can return to the account info page and use the reset option to repeat the age check. Keep in mind that you can only reset the age check once. You can also choose to verify your age with a valid government-issued ID to make sure your age is recorded correctly and restore the normal Roblox experience. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more Roblox tutorials.